Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And you're going to love this one. This one is just the prettiest set. Just wait till you see it. But if you want to know more about our Scripture Club, I'll have a link in the description of this video so you can find out about our Scripture Stamp Club and how you can become a member of that. And this set is a restful set. Don't we need rest after the holidays? And we've been running and going and it's time to just rest and breathe and relax. Look at this little set. I'm in love with these birds. And the more I play with them, the more I love them. And the funny thing is, I'm not really a bird person. Like I've never thought that I was. But when you lay eyes on these birds, do they not just get you? They just touch you, right? I agree. So let me tell you what our sentiments are, what our scriptures are for this set. It's all about rest. And our first one here says, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." And then this next one says, "My soul finds rest in God. So then there remains a rest for the people of God. Yes, my soul, find rest in God. My hope comes from him." Aren't they beautiful? I just felt like these little sleepy birds were just restful. It just was perfect for this. All of them have their little eyes closed. You get this little branch, and I'll show you how I used the branch and extended it. And then you also get extra feathers, which we thought was really cool if you wanted to put it on a branch and then maybe have some feathers falling down. And also some of the flowers that are inside their little tummies and stuff, we gave you an extra one there so you could play with. I'll show you how I played with it. Also this little green one. I'll show you what I did in my samples. All right, let's look at samples. I know, it's so cute. Okay, so the very first one I did was this guy, and I have wanted to emboss him. Do you see that he is, let's see, he's gold embossed. You can kind of see that. And I have wanted to emboss him since the day we designed him. This set just screamed gold embossing. And you can see here what I did. This branch actually stops right there, but I went ahead and stamped it again off the page to extend my branch. So you can do that. You can also put your branch on other sides of the page. I'll show you that in just a second. Now, I think he is incredible. I did have some mistakes, interestingly enough. I did not emboss him. I did not heat emboss him completely in some areas. I missed some spots. So when I went to color, I have a little smearing here. But guess what? You can't even tell. So there you go. Or at least I can't tell. I'm fine with it. So there is sample number one. Let's look at number two. Probably my favorite. I don't know. I love all of them. But I love this one very, very much. Look at this cute card. And you guys, it is just stamping and white pen. That's all this card is. And I love it. So remember I told you could take your branch in one direction and you could flip it and put it in another. So that's using the branch two different ways there. And then this little cluster, let me show you so you'll see, is this little guy right here. And he's just cluster stamped. And the way this is drawn, you can really overlap things and it's not an issue. You don't have to see where everything starts and stops. It can kind of lay on top of each other. Like you can see if I do this, that's that little stamp, but you can tell that I've kind of clustered him there. These little roses in the corner is this little set right here. And the little feathers falling down, all of our little extra feathers. I love it. And see how simple it is with just the little white dots added? I just thought all those dots were screaming for extra white dots, right? Okay, let's look at my last sample. All right, spring, here we go. Look at you. What all are we going to be able to do with these birds at springtime? And I didn't even add the little branches. I could have, but I just thought this was too cute, and I love how it turned out. So those are my three samples. I have a question for you, and I need you to answer this in the comments. I filmed my workflow, basically. I just filmed myself making these, and I actually even filmed myself making one I didn't like how it turned out. I'll show you. Look at this guy. I did not love how this turned out, but now that he's dry, I like him a lot better, but I didn't love it at first. But I filmed this process, and if you would like to see this for Saturday's video, tell me in the comment below. It will have to be a voiceover because I just filmed my work, but if you want to see how all of this came together, I'll be happy to edit that for you guys and let you see how that works. Hey guys, that is our Scripture Club for this month. Can you just not wait? I'm serious. This is the coolest stamp set. You're going to do so much with it. And that's what I love about our sets. You guys always do such prettier things than I do. And if you would like to see that, you can head to our website at maymaymadeit.com and go to our customer gallery. There are over 2,000 pictures there of images that you guys have done. And I cannot wait to see what comes out of this little restful set. Now, if you do post a picture of anything you make with this stamp set, you're entered into our contest to win a $50 gift card to our store. We do have a winner from last month. That name will be listed in the description below. I always film this before the contest is over, so I have to put the name in the description. We'll also email you to let you know that you've won. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our scripture club. You guys mean the world to me, and I hope you enjoy this. We work really hard to bring you some stuff we try to be different. We try to be, kind of trendy, but with scripture, we also want to be on trend and on target with scripture. And I feel like this is the time of year that we need to remind people, hey, you can rest in God. You can rest this season. Take a break this early winter time, right? Hey, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.